that true? There's so much to do at home.
Always.
Why not use every hand that you can? And this is what I wanted to show you. I have a dusting mitt. It only costs $1.79, and you decorate it. We have this as a cow, but boy, can those kids really moo around the furniture when they're doing it. Really easy to do, just a little bit of a decoration on it. But here's the dusting part, and what kid wouldn't want to help dust with
Not
this?
a one. It looks like fun. In fact,
fun?
I might enjoy it. I don't know. You
Well,
have a
here,
lot of
Sandy,
other ideas.
you do.
Well, I'll give it to Timmy, of course.
Here's a great one for dads as well as for kids. How many people don't know how to set the table right? You know, which way is the fork, which is the spoon? Take a vinyl placemat. This is perfect. Then you take a piece of contact paper. You lay the plate down on the contact paper and cut it out. As you can see, I've cut it here. Then just peel that apart, Sandy, and you put that then on a piece of placemat. You see here, we have the knife, fork, the spoon, and the cup. And so when you go to set the table, you just have to match up the circles. As you can see, it's easy to set on this one. See how
So
nice that is?
simple. Good ideas.
Isn't that easy?
And it's really important for the youngsters to get involved, isn't it?
It is really important. First of all, it teaches them responsibility. And the second thing is, when don't you take pride when you do something? So there's a feeling of accomplishment and importance in being a member of an organization, a family, and that's the important thing.
Yeah,
that's right.
great.
And for the little kids, this is perfect. This is their little house or their little home, and instead of writing jobs out, you'd make colors. These are little hooks that go on the board, and then once you've made their little picture, they're laminated. It's a piece of poster board, laminated, and when they've done their job, they turn it over, and they get rewarded with a smiling face.
I love this. This is so
great.
It's just so cheery as well as
you can do this many, many different ways. This is a couple of hot air balloons, and if you'll hold that one.
Yes.
This is just light canvas, and all we've done is just colored this with magic marker, just outlined that, and then down here you zigzag this on, and behind this have a bath, brush your teeth, sweep the floor, help cook, set the tables. And once they do this, they turn the little tablet. This is a tongue depressor. That's right. You're really good. Smiling face, and at the end of the day, there's 6 little smiling faces.
And if you don't want a hot air balloon, you've got another idea here.
This one is for the dinosaurs, and we just have taken...
They are the rage,
aren't they fun?
Yeah.
They really, really are. This little boy is Jason, so Jason Ceratops. This is Nicosaurus, that's right. I have to stop and think. But again, these are like little spoons, wooden spoons. And again, when you turn those over, set the table, dust, brush your teeth, you know, all of the things that they need to do.
That's terrific.
And here again is another pocket. Sandy, this is really simple. Magic marker, and then a little bit of paint, just brushed on here with a soft sponge brush. And then these little dots on here, these are so fun. Have you ever done these?
Yes.
You just dot them on there. It dries overnight, and it is so fun. And on the outside, see, there's Velcro. You can buy Velcro that you can take the back off and stick it to the wall.
Oh,
so you can take one and put it the other.
Perfect.
So you're all set.
And it's not a lot of money, just a lot of great involvement. What you got here, a pizza man?
That's a pizza man. You hold the pizza man, and I'll hold the pizza, because if you're going to have a family party, this is one you're going to want to tune into. You decide what needs to be done before the party is done is put on these little squares, and everybody's name is placed here. Mom, Dad, like wash the car, you know, clean the closet, bathe the dog, etc. So when these things are done,
age-appropriate chores.
Each appropriate. Dad's there, Mom's there, and 3 kids here. Okay, over here on the pizza man, as you can see, would you, once the job is done, they take it over here, put that on the piece of Velcro that we cut, you put that back on, and when the pizza has all Velcro, you're all set. I mean, when the pizza has pepperoni on it, you're all set.
Then you can really send out for pizza. And rewards are a very important part of all this, aren't they?
Exactly. And again, you feel good about yourself, and that's the most important thing.
You always make us feel good about these things, Diane. It's great having you. You got so many ideas. It's really nice.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.